Hello, my name is Ben and I am Notagreatgamer. Welcome back to the Serene Republic of Venice, where we are sewing up the galaxy something fierce with our rampant colony ships. I found a couple of extra lazy colony ships that weren't doing anything, and I decided that I would send them on their way. So they're going to a couple different places. We have two more of these. Not that one. In fact, we may be kind of hitting the top on Arctics. Not really sure though. Also, if we do any new Arctic stuff, I kind of want it to be these guys down here. So yeah, I'm gonna actually cancel that and I'll come back to you. Alright, alright. Okay.
Construction complete.
Construction complete. Spaceport of Large Crew. Hey look! It's another colony ship, and you are tropical. Okay, tropical. Where are we going? Grumium. Oh yeah, Gruminum. There we are. Grumium. This guy right there. Grumium 2. Colonized planet. Nothing really great. Although this actually isn't bad. We'll do that. No extra food, but meh. It'll be fine.
System survey complete.
Excellent. Science ship. We're currently
Construction complete.
over our directly controlled planet's limit, but that's okay. Spaceport of Sabenico, that's fine. Ajkut, you did your thing, thank you. Spacecraft of Lido, or Spaceport of Lido, excellent, okay. At some point I'm gonna have to rename some of these places. Any of the repeats that we have, I like doing like Lido with the something or whatever, just so that I know about where it is and what its deal is. Okay, Murano. Colony ship. Tundra. Now, if I remember correctly, there were a lot of tundras. So we have someone going to Kirbus. We have somebody going to Drisk. I think we do. It's so hard to tell, though. Well, we'll send someone. No, I think we do have someone going to Drisk. Unatra? I know we have someone going to Unatra. And Kirbus. And Rother, I think. Rother. Where is that? I'm not actually sure. You know what? Let's just send someone to Rother and see what happens. If it turns out that I already have someone sent there, by the time that thing finishes, what will happen is that we'll just have a sleeping colony ship, and then we'll just stick it somewhere. We have plenty of options for Tundra worlds that we haven't touched yet. So okay, colony ship, another Tundra. Oh my goodness, why did I do this to myself? Why did I do this to myself? Well, there's a Tundra world there. Might as well do it. Oh, and it has decreased. What's it called? Low gravity. There we go. Yeah, there isn't really a great spot for this. Not at all. Go there. That's about the best we're gonna get at this point. Now, Python, you're not building any more colony ships, right? Oh, good. You're building a solar panel network. Perfect. Sweet. Inactive buildings. Yep. Yeah, I knew that would happen, actually. Okay. Construction ships. Constructing and not being lazy. Good, good, good. And what do we got? What? Oh, that's new. No, you don't. Oh. Oh. Okay, so here's the thing. Next time it's our turn to go to war, we are definitely going to war with the British folks. We just are. Actually, we already did go to war with them. We're just gonna have to blow this up. I cannot believe that. Okay, these are the guys that I wanted to do stuff to as well. These are the Mykonos. We're gonna get them. We're gonna get them one way or another. It's gonna happen. Ooh, that bugs me. That bugs me so bad. What's the next time? When's the next time that we're in charge? So 2 more years for these guys, and then 5 years, and then 5 years. So it's going to be like 12 years. That's fine. All we have to do is blow this up. Blow up the frontier outpost. Unless they, you know, colonize some stuff, in which case we have to steal it. Oh, that bugs me. Ooh. 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 Wait. Hang on. No, you're hyperspace. Okay. This guy he's just doing a funny maneuver. Shows that he's going from here to here, but I don't think that's actually happening. Oh yeah, we can't access Aludra now. Oh, snap. We got someone going to Grumium, right? Oh, man. Oh, negative balance, yeah. Wow. That was quick. What did we do to do that? Alright, fine. What did we do? Oh, the minus 10%
Colony established.
stuff isn't going to help. Okay, let's see here. Can we... Empire. Zara. Yes, we can. Okay, sweet. There we go. Things are much better now. Finish. Okay, so these guys are now part of Zara sector. This is exactly what we needed. Plasma accelerator. Oh, sweet. Plasma accelerator done. 0-point power. Next. Yes. Oh, man. Colony development speed would be awfully nice. Nope. Can't happen. We need this too bad. It's 70 months away, but it's absolutely necessary. Okay. How many of these... Are we colonizing these spots? Oh, whoa. There's a, It's an observation post here. They're observing this. Oh, what the... The Aztecs? Aggressive observation. Ooh, guys. Guys. It's not nice. Not with the happy making, kids. Which means there's actually a colony ship around here somewhere that's not doing anything. That doesn't belong to me. I really don't like that. If I build a colony ship, it's mine. Put it over here. Do it. Like, that's a bad design decision. Now I just can't find colony ships. Like, I have to sort of look around for them. Yeah, these guys. No, this is a different one. See what I mean? Like, I have no idea what's going on over here. Arrowed world. Yeah, we can't do the arrowed world. Luckily, this will lock it up. Okay, good. We have some going to Drisk? I think we do. Yes, we do. Do we have someone going there? I don't know. See, I don't know. Is it this one? I'm looking for a particular colony ship, which is not on my outliner. It can't be. Where are you headed? Moving to the Rothier system. Okay, what are you doing? You're going to the Jurope system. Where is this Jurope? You're going out there. Okay. Cool. We gotta make sure that we pick up Enif. Like, that's priority number 1 right now. The problem being... No idea where my colony ships are. Nope. Not a clue. Ooh, this is Venetian now. Let's pick up that spot. Yeah, that'd be awesome. Is that a Tundra World? Okay. Ooh, mineral poor. It's fine. Murano. You guys. Build me a colony ship. There you go. Yeah, it would be awfully nice to know what's going on. Negroponte. What'd you do? Okay, that's fine. Ah, sweet. Hey, look. Let us...
System survey complete. Construction complete.
When can we disband this?
Colony established.
Here we go.
Colony established.
Disband. Disband the frontier outpost. Very, very good. Okay. Marquez system. Where's that? That's over there. Okay, that's excellent. Oh, sweet. I think we swallowed up... oh, no, we already had that. Okay. Calling Negroponte. Da Vinci has completed the thing. Excellent, 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 excellent. Hey, guess what? You guys. You guys, come here. Contacts. Uplift. What are we going to do? How are they? What kind of personality? Leader skill levels. Okay, it has to do with leaders. That doesn't really matter. What we're going to do, instead, we are going to... Let's select that. Let's give them... Might as well give them Charismatic again. Charismatic is just so great. Charismatic and Nomadic. So they're going to move around. Number of selected pops. Okay, uplift.
Situation log updated.
Let's do it. Finishes in 2 months. Now, Da Vinci, don't be lazy. Build mining stations. Build research station. Oh, hey, build mining stations. Nice. Build research station. Oh, yeah, look at that. Look at that. And then just build some stuff. Yeah, come on out to the, come on out to here. Build mining stations. And then, bug me there. Bug me later. Okay. Oh, no. Better yet. And then build mining stations. Build research stations. Okay. He's gonna be busy for a good long while. Now, as I said, Enif, you are by far the most important thing. I think we sent someone up here, but I cannot tell. There's no way for me to tell, and that really, really, really irritates me. Did I build a ship for it? I don't know.
Construction complete.
Hang on. Declare rivalry. The Democratic something 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 are now my rival. Or they've rivaled me. It's too bad. Lepanto with the penguins. Oh, and that's my cat. She is very lovey right now. Well, something like that. Just woke up from a nap. What's my intention? Oh, silly kitten. Silly kitten. Okay. Da Vinci. Okay. Hey, Lepanto with the penguins. Hey, that's right. I'm in charge of your surface too, aren't I? Ugh. Fine, fine. Let's just upgrade stuff. Let's clear that. How's the food? Ugh. Upgrade. Upgrade. We're going to be getting even more people soon. Build. Frontier Clinic. Do it! Might as well upgrade this. Power plant 1. Excellent. Why did we build a power plant there? Or actually, it's more, when did we build one there? I don't remember doing that. I honestly don't. Just to be absolutely certain. Okay, enough. You have a desert world and an Arctic world. The Arctic world is probably better. Let's just go and build an Arctic thing. If we have to stick it somewhere else, we'll stick it somewhere else. It's fine. It's not a problem. Ah, these guys don't even have it. An assignment. Why don't you go up? Here. Tundra World? Yeah. Oh no, hang on. It's not settled, is it? No, but I think someone else already... I hate this system, and it's really frustrating for the viewers. It's really frustrating for me. There's only so much I can do. Oh wow, we picked up this. Not that it does us any good, but interesting. Yes, Woodriax, whatever. Okay, there's a Tundra World here, just in case. What if you just move here? I'll deal with you later. Deal with you later.
Construction complete.
So how come I can't... Oh, I can't actually move there. Yeah, I can. I can move to this spot. How come it wouldn't let me actually colonize this world? It'll let me colonize other worlds that already have someone going to it. I don't get it at all. I don't understand it. Hanseatic League has vassalized the Eurasian Republic. I believe that must be a... I wonder what the deal is with that. It's the hierarchy of Oras. Huh. Interesting. I think they're in here somewhere. And I think that because this is stripy now. So that's my thoughts on that. Murano, what are you good at? How you doing? Just give me another mineral silo. Yes, yes. Oh, and give me plenty more corvettes and destroyers. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. Dalmatia and Drisk. Okay, that's going. Oh yeah. Sweet. Enif is like on its way. It's gonna happen like right now.
Special project complete.
The Hyperspace now stand as living testament to the scientific and technological might of the Serene Republic of Venice. Excellent. The Serene Republic of Venice welcomes them. Let's go take a look at the Hyperspace. See what they look like, for one. For another thing, let's rename their space to Hyperspace. Okay. Pronounced it right. Haspal, excuse me. Haps. Yeah, imagine that. Welcome to our empire. Oh, we misspelled your name. Oops. Sorry. Sorry about that. Okay. So, unfortunately, they look like another species that I can think of. Oops. First off, they're already starving. Okay. Secondly, they belong to Florida. Let's give them to Florida. Florida. And it's stuff. Here, have that. Oh, watch this. One less sector. Excellent. Okay. Okay then. There we go. Now we have too much influence. Okay, what are we gonna do? For one thing, I'd like to go to Toledo and say, hey guys, A, you should be happier. B, you should have less ethics divergence. So let's do both, education and propaganda. And now, should be a little bit happier. Yep. And yes, negative ethics divergence. So good. I just really want these guys to be like totally on our side. Be like, yeah, you know what? Being a Xenophile is the way to be. We don't mind that you're our overlords. We're part of your nation. Actually, we're part of this nation. Come on.
Construction
Do the thing.
complete.
There we go. And there we go. Okay, sweet. We have enough. Hopefully this will just clear all this out so that, not clear it up, but just lock it all up. It'll be ours forever. Forever. Governor Andrea Trevisan died at the age of 112. It'd be nice if it told me... Oh, Trow. Oh, sweet. Okay, never mind. He was the governor of Crossroads. Let's actually play with Crossroads a little bit. Crossroads needs a governor. You are eager, and that's the only thing you have going for you. I have an idea. How about if we dismiss you? Oh, this guy is intellectual. He's at age 112, though. As high skill, he's intellectual. You know what? It'll work for right now. He will work for right now. And Paros. Where's Paros again? Oh, yeah. Poor Paros Sector. Paros Sector is the only reason I ever went to go to war with either the Hansa or the Habsburgs. The only reason. Because... Oh, yeah, this stuff got stolen. Yeesh. The Habsburgs are about to go away. Yeah, the Paros Sector... If you didn't exist, I really wouldn't care. But as it is, you do. So I'm going to steal some of this and add it to the Paros Sector, just so it's not a complete and utter waste of our time. Oh, this bugs me. British colonies. Who else is in your little compact? Yeah, the people we were just at war with. Well, luckily, all we have to do is blow this up. They didn't settle anything. If in our next war they haven't settled anything, all we do is just blow up the thing that, what's it called? We just blow it up. And then we immediately settle. And it'll be grand. And that's how that's gonna work. Man, the big blue blob isn't really blobbing very well, is it? Okay, let's take a look at some stuff. Oh, right. I don't need to know about you. My Lepanto has finished its surface construction queue. Excellent. Oh, nice. Look at this. So many things to build. So many things to build. Let's get some mineral silos. How's food? Food is fine. Upgrade the mineral silos. Upgrade the engineering facilities. Oh, so good. Upgrade the mineral silos. Okay, yeah. This is helping. This is helping a pretty good amount. More engineering. Oh, yeah. Feels good, man. Feels good. Fleet order finished. Bronca, don't be lazy. Come here. Where are you? No, really, where are you? Oh, you're way down there. Okay. He cannot move from there. Is it time to just disband it? I think we just disband it, actually. Yeah, we're just gonna disband this construction ship. It's fine. Agree. Oh man, the number of reasons why I'm so pissed at you right now. British conglomerate. Oh, that's new. They just changed their name. Did they change their their illuminated technocracy? Yeah, they changed their government type. Did my alarm go off? No, it didn't, but it's about to. Okay. Well, Okay. The Hyperspace have been among us for several days now. All is well on planet Hyperspace. Oh, that's interesting. I think that's the alternative to the rocky start.
Construction complete.
Oh, hey. The hierarchy of Aras. I don't think we've ever been at war with them, actually. Their threat must be fairly high, but they want to establish a thing with us. Establish an embassy. That's very nice. Choja has finished its construction queue. Is that one of mine? Oh no, hang on. Oh yeah, shoot, yet another tundra ship. Okay, well. Okay, we've already got them going up there. I overdid it on the tundra ships. That's okay. It's a barren world. We're not going there. We could go there. Just colonize that planet just to be sure. No, I already did that. Just don't do this. Stupid controls. Do what I want. Ooh, look at that. Yes. This Gaia world lives entirely within our space. And they're fine with us. They're, as long as we don't set foot on them, they're okay. Construction ship Vestiano. Oh, right. I picked this up because I got rid of a sector. Okay. Why don't you do something up in here? Here. Put some mining stations and some research stations. Bug me later. Ugh. Yeah, I don't know what to do with this guy. Dunno. Is it Tundra World? Yeah. Colonized planet. Let's put it right there. Okay. I think that's where we're going to leave it. So we do have someone colonizing this area just to troll these guys so hard. I mean, they hate us by a lot. Their threat is gargantuan. Border friction is minus 100. I don't know if you can actually go above minus 100, but I imagine you can, and I imagine you should. Castile is still a vassal. One of these days we'll kill Castile, but that's going to be a good long while. But that's the situation. We're opening this area up pretty thoroughly. We have most of this figured out. We can actually access this area, but we can't access this system. Oh, we even have it. We even have a planet here, or a settler here. Not good, kids. Not good. Oh, Brits. This is the way it's going to work. When we go to war with these guys, we're going to take a bunch of stuff up in here, mostly, to connect us up with... Remember what I said I was going to try to connect us up with the Byzantines? Well, the other thing we're going to do is we're going to blow up the frontier outpost, and we are going to have a colony ship right there. It's going to be right here. And then, as soon as that thing gets blown up, we're going to colonize. And it's going to be wonderful. Unfortunately, it's going to have to be wonderful in another episode. Until then, you know what? I enjoyed myself. I hope you enjoyed yourself as well. And I do, in fact, look forward to seeing you next time. Oh, let's hand this off. Empire. Zara. System. Oh, system. Good stuff. Good job, Zara. Way to be. Just keep doing what you're doing. Okay, bye, folks.